Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having such a wonderful weekend. Let's hope everyone is having such a wonderful weekend. Since yesterday, guys, we are all shocked, we are all amazed since it was announced on the news that now husbands can take their wife's surname. Yes, now we can get all them boys that they can take our very own surnames, guys. No. So to my point, it comes to what do such benefits comes with? Maybe from wealthy families, because Umusam Seleku does not agree with this. He posted on Instagram saying that the decision to grant men to take their wife's surname is Eurocentric and it undermines the spirit of different cultures. It poses a danger of men to be diluted. Yep, I do agree with Utatun Seleku. I do agree with him. I do feel like it does dilute that power, that dignity of a man. So again, Goku, you are going to be called Mrs. Ndlovu okanye Mr. Ndlovu from my surname. I don't get it. What benefit does it get? So now you as a man, if you take my surname as your wife, guys, there's a lot that I don't understand. There's a lot that I'm trying to wrap my head around all of these things. I wouldn't want my husband to take my surname. So which means now he is growing his wife's side of the family. Because from my understanding is that when you get married, by you taking your husband's surname, it's like you are agreeing, Ubana, I am going to add or can you expand from whatever that you guys had as the Ndlovus. Let's say you are getting married to a Ndlovu as a woman. So by you changing your surname, which means that now you are one of the Ndlovus and you're going to expand the Ndlovus by giving them kids, and those kids will become Ndlovus. So now you as a man, if you become a Mzilikazi, because me as your wife I'm a Mzilikazi, what is it representing? What is it that it is representing? I don't know, guys. Balance me up, guys, because Utatum Seleko does not agree also. Like, he refused. He even posted this post with the whole Induku to like, guys, I'm gonna panel beat anyone who tells me to change my surname to be my wife's surname. Like, yes, I'm trying to like wrap my head around all of these, guys, because okay, for instance, Musam Selegu himself is a man who is married to 5 women in a polygamy marriage. So what does it mean? He would have to take all their surnames and you'll be like 5th barrel with different surnames? Yo, guys, okay, now they are doing it that I don't know, maybe it's going to work for like much wealthy people. Let me know, what do you guys think? And balance me, Bana, what are actually advantages of men being allowed to take their wives' surnames, what benefit are they getting? Like, what actually benefit are they getting as husband by you taking your wife's surname? What benefit are you getting as a man? And to women, would you as a woman allow your husband to take your surname? Let me know, what do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.